Hey guys, it's Sabrina and welcome back to my channel. I have been gone for a very long time and I'm not going to get very much into why I haven't been filming for a while, but I will say that I was just going through a lot of personal issues with, in general, my self-esteem, and I did have some situations with my son that I took priority over doing videos on YouTube. So I am slowly transitioning back to making videos because I love this creative outlet, I love this community, and I love being a part of the beauty community. And so today for this video, as you can see by the title, is I'm going to be doing a current favorite and fails video. Any products that I mention will be listed down below, and just because they did not work out for me does not mean that they won't work out for you. I had the greatest intentions of both the products that I purchased for them to work out, and I'll explain a little bit later as to why they did not. So we're gonna go ahead. I do have some clothing items, makeup, skincare, and I do have a wallet that I've been loving. So if this seems like a good video for you, please keep on watching. Otherwise, if there's a different type of video that you would like to see, or one that I've done in the past that you would like to see again, leave me a comment down below and I'll be more than willing to create that video for you. So we're gonna go ahead and start out with clothing. So the first thing is this shirt. It is a long sleeve and it has this cute little fun animal print pocket. It is a Victoria's Secret pink long sleeve shirt, and I've been really enjoying this. It's very comfortable. It's a little bit oversized, so I have gained a little bit of weight, so it does feel very comfortable in the tummy area where I've gained weight. And overall, it's a nice shirt that I can either dress up, dress down, be casual with, and it's a very versatile piece, and that's what I'm going for. The next thing that I have are these can jeans, and specifically they are petite cans. So I have a friend who owns a boutique. It is called Two Sisters Boutique that is located in Rice Lake, Wisconsin. So I will list that down below. They do have an online website that you can purchase items from and have them shipped directly to you, or if you're in the local area, you can go there. They have very cute pieces and they're always getting new inventory. So I picked out these petite cans. They are distressed in the knees, and being a petite person, I'm 5'3.5". These distressing fit directly on my knees. In normal pairs of jeans, it's a little bit lower than my kneecap. So a very versatile piece. It's just a pair of good old skinny jeans. They have a little bit of distressing, dress up, dress down. I have been really enjoying these and having them in my wardrobe, and I wear them a lot. And then the last piece that I have is this Columbia jacket. Let me turn it so it's not inside out. And it is this super pretty plum color. And it is a fleece Columbia. And this I had purchased from my other friend who owns a consignment store now that's new in Rice Lake, and it is called n&eclothing. So I will go ahead and list their Facebook webpage down below too. They don't have an online store yet, but I know that is something that they're kind of seeing, if that's something that they would want to do in the future. So those are the clothing items that I've been loving recently and have been wearing a lot lately. And we're gonna go ahead and get into skincare. So all of the skincare products except for one just did not work out for me, and I'll show you all the products and then I'll tell you what the common denominator is, and what happened to me and what my reaction was. So I do have two face cleansers. One of them is going to be the Pores No More Purifying Pore Cleanser, and is by the brand Dr. Brandt. And the other one is the St. Ives Acne Control Daily Cleanser with tea tree oil. And it says it clears blemishes and helps prevent new ones from forming. This one is new and it is cruelty-free, dermatologist tested, oil-free, and the bottle is made with recycled plastic. So I have these two cleansers, and then I have the Olay Daily Facials. Those are the three products that I used that did not work out for me. And I did have an allergic reaction. I ended up with bumps all along my forehead. It took me months to get rid of it, and I didn't realize where it was coming from. And the common denominator for all of these products is they all contain salicylic acid. I can like zoom it up for you guys. Salicylic acid, I think that's how you pronounce it. Either way, I'm sorry you guys. That will be in the comments down below. So I do have very sensitive skin. It is very combination as well. But for whatever reason, these products, just for whatever reason, I don't really know why, only broke me out on my forehead. So I had a bunch of texture, a bunch of bumps. I did switch my cleansers since then. I've been using one that does not have that ingredient in it, and I have not broken out, and my bumps have cleared up. So if you have sensitive skin, and if you have the same issues with the bumps in your forehead, I would just keep an eye out for that ingredient and just not use it going forward. But the one skincare product that I have been using, it's not just a skincare product, you can use it pretty much wherever, and that is this guy. This is the First Aid Beauty Ultra Repair Cream. It is intense hydration, and you can pretty much use this anywhere. So you during the winter months when it's super dry and cold out, my skin does get a little bit drier, so I can put this on my face. Typically I do it at night instead of in the morning because I want a lighter moisturizer, but I love this for putting it all over my body just to get that extra hydration. So that is the one skincare product that I really have been enjoying. And then we're gonna go into makeup stuff. So as of recently, and you can tell on my face, I've been keeping a very bare minimum, simple, easy makeup look. I don't really go crazy with eyeshadows anymore or anything like that. So I pretty much do have a full face of products to show you guys, minus a couple of things that I've been loving and really enjoying. So the first thing that we're going to start out with, and it's super dirty, and I'm really sorry you guys, is the CoverGirl Healthy Elixir Foundation. And I have it in the shade 705, which is too dark for me. So a lot of the times what I'll do is I'll mix it in with a lotion and do it as a BB cream. So it's going to give a little bit of coverage, extra hydration. There's a bunch of vitamins in here, and it does have SPF 20 in it. This is in the shade Ivory. I really wish CoverGirl would make lighter shades. So that's the only thing that I could say, is that I feel that Ivory is still too dark, and I'm pretty pale. I mean, you can tell by my neck, I do have, you know, some redness to my face, but overall I'm pretty pale. So if CoverGirl would make lighter shades, I would appreciate it so much. But as is, I will still purchase this. I will reuse it. I'll just mix it in with something else to make the shade a little lighter. The next thing is going to be the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer. This smells so good. I cannot get over it. It smells delicious. It gives amazing color to the skin. Occasionally I will use this as an eyeshadow just to put into the crease, maybe on the entire lid depending on the day, and that's the one product that I'll use. It's very versatile, blends very well, and smells amazing. The next product is the Tarte Gifted Amazon Clay Smart Mascara. So it is what I'm wearing on my eyes right now. I can like lean in a little bit. It just makes my eyelashes very just fluffy and wispy. They're not necessarily super black, but on a day-to-day basis, I do really appreciate this. The only downfall to it is that if you are in a warmer area, it will smudge. So I would be interested if Tarte does have like a waterproof version of this, that I would definitely try it out. And then the next item is please don't judge me. This thing is falling apart, but is the Too Faced Urban Decay Basics palette. And honestly, the only shade, I'm telling you it's bad, is the shade Naked 2 and Faint. So those are the two shades that I use. I use Naked 2 in my crease, and then I'll use Faint in my lower V. And that's pretty much all that I'll do. I don't get very crazy on, oops, sorry. I don't get very crazy on the eyeshadows. I go for super, super simple, just basic, simple eye look. And the last two products for makeup that I have is going to be two lip products. One I'm wearing right now. I don't know if it's available anymore. If it is, I'll link it down below. If not, sorry. But the first thing is the Laneige Lip Sleeping Mask. I have just like the little sample size that I had gotten in a subscription box. And I still have a lot of product left. Once I get out of the shower, I just slap this on my lips. If I need some extra hydration, I'll put this on as well. And then what I have for my lips is the NYC. This is the Smooch Proof. It is a lip tinter. I do not know the shade, but this is by far like my #1 lip color. It's a stain, so it doesn't really smudge. It wears off, but it doesn't wear off super patchy. And if it does, it just looks like a flush of color. It's not gonna smear anywhere, it's not gonna go anywhere, and that's why I love it so, so much. And it's just a super fun color. So if I can find it, I will link it down below for you guys. And then I have 3 brushes that I could not live without. So the first one is this Morphe M433 brush. This is what I use to put shadow directly in my crease. It's so fluffy, it puts on product beautifully, and I've never had a problem, and this brush has not done me wrong at all. And then I have this Eco Tools brush. This is a blending and bronzing brush. It does have like the little like dual fibers, I think is what it's called. So it gets right in here and just distributes the product so great. And overall, I feel like I do have like a subtle line there. So it does make it very easy when applying bronzer. And this and the butter bronzer is wonderful. And this is the newest brush that I've actually added to my collection. I was lucky enough to find this at a thrift store that was brand new in the packaging. And I got that and a bunch of stuff that was new in the packaging for like $15. It was crazy. But this is the It Cosmetics Heavenly Luxe Wand Ball No. 8 powder brush. So this, when I'm done putting on my foundation, I let it dry. I just put some powder on, and it's so soft and fluffy, and it just is so heavenly. And I'm so lucky and grateful that I found this, because It Cosmetics brushes are expensive, and I'm a mom. I cannot afford expensive brushes. So this was a very, very lucky find. So that is going to complete everything that I have for makeup. I have one last item, and this is the newest item that I have purchased. It's something that I've been looking for a long time, and it is this plum colored wallet. So it is a fossil wallet, and it just snaps open and then goes down. So I'm just gonna cover up my ID just for security purposes. So I have all of my cards here. All of my reward cards are here, and then in the front pocket I have all my card rewards, like that get stamped, some coupons, money, and then there's a zipper pouch here for change. You're gonna have an additional pocket here, here, and then when you close it, there's an additional pocket on the back and another zipper. So there's tons of storage in here, and the main reason why I have been eyeing up this wallet is because I am looking to do the cash envelope system again. It's been something that I have been working on really hard, reducing my monthly expenses, and now I'm looking forward to creating an emergency fund and paying off my debt. So this was a very small investment that I treated myself to, so I'm able to use the cash envelope system, and I'm definitely looking forward to filming those videos again. If you haven't checked out my 2 that I've already done, those will be linked below as well if you want to check them out. Otherwise, I'll have them in the card up above. But that's everything that I have for this video. If you have a favorite item that I showed, or if there's something that I showed that you like too, please let me know. It's so nice knowing that we love the same things. So thank you so much for being here, checking out my video. I truly appreciate it. And thank you for still subscribing if you're already subscribed to my channel while I've been gone. I greatly appreciate it, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.